In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your hard drive not being detected in Windows 11 or Windows 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it can be really annoying when you have multiple hard drives connected on your PC, but for some reason, one of them isn't being shown on your PC. And that's gonna be really frustrating, especially if that's the one with the most storage available. So there's an easy fix for this. Once you're on your PC and you're signed in, all you wanna do is go to the bottom, go to search, and then type in disk management, and then it's going to say create and format hard disk partitions. Go ahead and click on it, and it's going to bring up the disk management application. Now from here, you're going to see all your disks. So I have my C drive and my D drive. So when I go to my file explorer, I'm just going to open a new file explorer tab right here. I can see my C and D drive under devices and drives under this PC section. So all I want to do from here is I want to look for an unallocated. So as you can see, 51 megabytes unallocated, where in your case, you might have a whole hard drive that's unallocated. And that might be an issue, but basically the issue is you might not have like a letter assigned. It could be that simple. If you don't have a letter assigned to your drive, that might be why it's not showing. So all I want to do is go ahead and right click on it. Then I can press new simple volume. It's going to say welcome to the new simple volume wizard. Go ahead and click on next, and then simple volume size in megabytes. Press next again. You can assign a letter, but you can assign anything you want. Then all you got to do is press next, and then press next again. After you're happy with all of this, then you'll be good to go. And it's as simple as that. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.